Hello, everyone. So to continue from where we stopped previously, I would like to work with the restaurant operations data set. So let me call it out to see properly the values of that particular data set, and that will give me an informed decision on what to do to make my next SQL statement. Okay, so I have my restaurant ID, restaurant names, location, prices, cost, and ratings, and a lot of many other information. So I want to be using the case when, then, else statement. So to perform that, I would like to select the restaurant name, the location, the menu item, and make query on the cost. Okay, so let's perform that first. I'll be selecting just like I have identified. Select restaurant name. Oops, pardon my spelling. Selecting restaurant name. I would also be selecting location. I will also be selecting menu item. I would also, I think I will stop there for now. I will also be selecting rating from restaurant operation data set where, and then this time around, I would open a case. How do we work with this? I want to open a case where price, yep, okay, spelled with small letter, price, let me look through this briefly. I could work with 3,000 naira, all right? When price is greater than, oops, my keyboard, I can't see this night. My eyesight is not all that. When price is 3,000, then we'll call it, if it's greater than 3,000, then it's expensive. Else to be identified as cheap, something like this. And then we'll create an as statement. Oh, my bad. This is supposed to come before from. So I will just cut that out. Okay. Else is cheap. And then I'll open an as statement. How do I want my results to appear? As price status. Did I end this? No. I'll end this first. As price status. And then now I can paste back what I cut out before. And then I could also identify that it should be ordered by uh order by oops, price. I think price is spelled in small letter. Okay, so I think I'm done with this particular SQL statement. I will highlight this and execute to see the result it gives me. Oh, great. So it has given me some kind of table identifying prices that are cheap all the way to the ones that are expensive. Okay. So we know that this restaurant number 206 located in Abeokuta sells a 4 roll at a very cheap price and it has a 4.5 rating. Okay, so if we scroll all the way down, it started with cheap before we started approaching the expensive items. Okay, so on our table, we are not seeing the price value so that we will know the costs of the foods. Okay, so I will just quickly add that here. Type in price. I'll add it to my statements. I would highlight this and execute. I want to see the prices. Oops, I have a problem. Comma, my bad. Now execute this. Great. So I could see the prices. The very least price on our data set is a food that costs 512 naira. That is truly cheap. Truly cheap. Truly cheap. And when we keep scrolling down all the way, then we can see the expensive foods. Anyone above 3,000 naira, which is the condition we created using opening our case statement. Okay. We'll continue with the case statement in our next class. See you then.